Hey everybody, I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood, and today I want to talk to you about making sure the customer is happy with the color they choose. And one of the things you don't want to rely on all the time is a color chart, because a color chart's on a piece of paper. It really doesn't show things as well, but it's a good way to dial somebody into the colors that they're interested in. But even a color chart usually says that it can vary when put on wood. When you put stain on wood, it's going to change the tone and color depending on the type of wood that substrate is, and the wood can be different. If it's cedar, it's going to have a different look than if it's pine. If it's redwood, if it's something else, it's going to take on that look. So you really want to dial a customer in, and you want them to sign off on the color that it's going to be. The best way to do that is to put a sample up, which we've done here. Don't even rely on a piece of wood, because we do the same thing. We put them on pieces of wood so that you can see the different tones and so forth, but a lot of times they're put on a new piece of wood, not something that's been seasoned. And sometimes you'll have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60-year-old wood that, you just can't replicate that. So the best thing you can do is to show people the samples, get them to dial into a color, tell them get them to say what they want. Then you put the sample on the wood itself so that they can see what it would actually look like on their home. In this case, it's very important because we wouldn't want to do a whole house and then find out they didn't like the color or even a side or anything else. So this is why we put a sample up. The best way to make sure you don't have any issues in the future is to put a sample on their wood and let them see that first. These folks have already bought into it. They love that. Ties in with the brick. Tilt this a little. So it goes well with the brick as well. And they're just very happy. It's the way it should be. Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood, just another little tidbit to make sure that your job goes smoothly. And one of the ways to go smoothly and not have remorse later is to make sure before you stain the whole deck, the whole house, the cabin, that the customer buys in to the sample that you put out. Have a great day, everyone. Thank you for watching the video, and thank you for being a subscriber to the channel.